Hello everybody, in this video I am going to show you how I did this door. This is not full process because from the beginning I didn't want to make this video because it was quite complicated to shoot it and make it. But in the end I decided that I will make this video because somebody may be inspired by this. So simply I needed to cover this opening, so I decided that I will make stainless steel door. And stainless steel because it is outside and stainless steel will not rust at all. As I said, I don't have full process on this video, but you will clearly see what I did and how it's done. Basically it is very simple. As you can see here, I have square frame, and on this square frame I have double door, or basically one big door cut it in half. As you can see, I have 3 hinges on the side and next 3 hinges in the middle of the door, and this is basically for folding it. And on the bottom there is just sliding these doors on the bottom part, and on the top part there is just screw with big washer for sliding mechanism. It is very simple system. Everything is from stainless steel. I welded everything together, so hopefully somebody can be inspired by this design, or somebody can use this design for making something similar like this. For the beginning of my project I simply draw something on paper and order material according my plans, and because in my head was not exact plan how I will do it, I didn't know if it will work or not, but it basically finished that it was working. Here you can see I already had my folding door working, and now I'm going to cover it with this plate, and this is stainless steel plate, but I need to cut it on smaller pieces because they didn't have dimensions I need. So they told me either I will buy 2 plates or I will cut it. So I'm going to cut it because 2 plates was quite expensive. For securing plates I was using stainless steel rivets because basically it will not rust at all and they are quite cheap. Here you can see how I covered gap where door are folding.
Even this gap is closed. Good design.
In the end, I have to say this door was not as difficult as I was expecting. It was quite... it's not very simple, but as I can say that it was not that difficult. I think that this door will last long time, and I am very satisfied with my work. Even it is not perfect, but I think that I did quite decent job. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I wish you have a nice day.